Okay, we're in Causapscal, Quebec, where we will pass over the Causapscal Bridge in 3 parts. I hope that the bridge will take the train. Okay, we're on the bridge. Okay, that's right. The bridge takes. Okay. The bridge make a lot of noise.
Yes, I know. Make some noise of the front.
Yes, the bridge makes a lot of noise because it is old. Yes, I know, but that's not as simple as you can say it.
Ok, ils n'ont pas d'argent. Ils n'ont pas d'argent, ils n'ont pas de temps. No cash,
no money. No cash, no time.
Exactly.
Okay, that's right. We will exit or we'll leave if you like this. We will leave Causapscal, Quebec, and in a few minutes, we will see the beautiful town of Matapédia, Quebec, where the 2 trains will be separated. See you later.